UP Taker Baron Ponty Chadda and his brother Hardeep Chadda have been shot dead in a shootout which took place at a Chhatarpur farmhouse earlier today. Now the police believe, as per initial information available, that both the brothers shot each other dead in a firing incident which arose out of a family dispute over ancestral property. Both Ponty Chadda, whose real name is Gurdeep Singh Chadda, and his brother Hardeep Chadda were involved in the dispute for a while now, but they were living in the same house as a joint family, is what Hardeep Chadda's lawyer told us a short while back. No clarity if there were any other assailants really involved in the incident, although initial reports suggested that there was a car which drove up to the Chhatarpur residence and unknown assailants shot at Hardeep Chadda. But now it emerges that as per initial reports, that Ponty Chadda fired the first shot after an altercation with his brother, after which Hardeep Chadda's guards returned fire. In the end of this melee, apparently both the brothers were shot dead. Let me go across now to Shoaib Ahmed, who is Ponty Chadda's business associate. Shoaib, first, I'm sorry for your loss. You were a business associate of Ponty Chadda and fairly close with him. Tell us, what do you know about this family dispute that was taking place between the brothers?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं था, बहुत सी फैमिली थी, सबको साथ में लेके चलते थे। पॉन्टी जी ने पूरा अपना परिवार बनाया है और उनकी वजह से हम सब लोग हैं, लाइक फादर, गॉड फादर, मेरे तो गॉड फादर की तरह थे। और ऐसा आपस में भाइयों में कभी झगड़ा नहीं था, सबको उन्होंने बनाया है और सब पॉन्टी जी की वजह से है। आज जो भी है सब पॉन्टी जी की वजह से है। पॉन्टी जी के अंदर ऐसी कोई कमी नहीं थी, उन्होंने कभी को छोटा बड़ा कभी नहीं देखा, सबको एक बराबर देखते थे।
तो
ऐसा क्या हुआ?
शोएब जी, आप कह रहे हैं कि पॉन्टी चड्डा और उनके भाई के बीच में प्रॉपर्टी को लेकर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं था?
अब ऐसा इंटरनल क्या प्रॉब्लम था, तो इसको तो आपस का मैटर है, वो तो मैं बाहर किसी को पता नहीं है। वही कहते हैं, वो परिवार को ऐसे लेके चलते थे कि घर की बात बाहर तक नहीं निकलती थी। अब ऐसा क्या हुआ है आपस में, अब इसमें कुछ नहीं कर सकता। अब ये तो भगवान जानता है क्या हुआ। ही इज लाइक गॉड फादर मी, और क्या सबके लिए उन्होंने।
शोएब जी, आप कौन से बिजनेसेस में एफिलिएटेड थे पॉन्टी चड्डा के साथ? आप किस बिजनेस में उनके साथ काम कर रहे थे?
मैं पॉन्टी जी के साथ में प्रोजेक्ट देखता था, सारे जितने प्रोजेक्ट बनाए थे, ये कंस्ट्रक्शन के प्रोजेक्ट।
उन्होंने कभी आपको अपने प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में कन्फाइड किया है, कभी कहा है कि भाइयों के साथ कोई प्रॉब्लम है, डिस्प्यूट है?
ऐसा कभी कुछ नहीं हुआ। पहले मैं तो अभी 2 साल से साथ में एसोसिएट नहीं था, 2 साल से अलग था मैं पॉन्टी जी से।
आप उनकी फैमिली को जानते हैं? आपने आप भाइयों से मिले हैं?
सबको जानता हूँ, 21 साल से साथ में मेरा परिवार था, घर की तरह मैं रहा हूँ उनके साथ में।
आप जब उनको जानते थे, उनके बीच में कोई अनबन या कोई फाइट नहीं हुआ था?
जब ऐसा कभी कुछ नहीं हुआ, कभी ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ।
तो अब जो रिपोर्ट्स आ रहे हैं कि प्रॉपर्टी डिस्प्यूट था, जो पॉन्टी चड्डा के फादर के गुजरने के बाद उनका सेटलमेंट का प्रॉब्लम था, आप इस पे बिलीव नहीं कर रहे हैं?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, बिलीव करने वाली बात नहीं। मैं तो इतना जानता हूँ कि पॉन्टी जी भगवान की तरह थे, वो सबको साथ में खींचना। ऐसा क्या हुआ, ये तो उस वक्त मौके में क्या बात हुई है इसके बारे में कहना बड़ा मुश्किल है कि क्या हुआ उस टाइम पर। लेकिन उनके साथ में तो मैं कहता हूँ कि उन्होंने कभी हर चीज को नजरअंदाज किया है, सबको साथ में लेके चले हैं, उन्होंने परिवार बनाया है पूरा। आज ये छोटी चीज के लिए झगड़ा क्या करेंगे पॉन्टी?
शोएब जी, आप इनकी फैमिली के बारे में क्या जानते हैं, ये बताइए। भाइयों में रिलेशनशिप कैसा था? आप कह रहे हैं कि आप 21 साल से जानते हैं फैमिली को, हमको बताइए फैमिली कैसा था?
जब तक मैं साथ में रहा हूँ बहुत अच्छा रिलेशन था, सबके साथ एक ही परिवार था, एक किचन था, एक किचन से सब लोग आपस में खाना खाते थे, सबको बच्चों को साथ में एक साथ एसोसिएट लेके पॉन्टी जी साथ में लेके चलते थे, कभी किसी में कोई नाइतफाकी नहीं थी।
तीनों भाई एक साथ रहते थे, एक ही घर में?
भाई एक ही घर में रहते थे, एक साथ रहते थे और सब साथ में लेके चलते थे पॉन्टी जी।
आपने कभी हरदीप चड्डा और पॉन्टी चड्डा को साथ में देखा है कि उनका रिलेशनशिप कैसे था?
बहुत अच्छे रिलेशन थे पहले, जब तक मैं साथ में रहा हूँ या 2 साल में अलग रहा हूँ, पहले बहुत अच्छे रिलेशन थे। आज हरदीप सिंह चड्डा जी भी हैं तो वो पॉन्टी जी की वजह से ही थे।
ओके, ऑलराइट। शोएब अहमद, प्लीज आप हमारे साथ फोन में रहिए। लेट मी जस्ट क्विकली टेल आवर व्यूअर्स दैट that was Ponty Chadda's close business associates who expressed surprise over the fact that there was a family dispute. He says he's associated with the family for 21 years and has never seen any such discrepancy in the relations between the brothers, and that they were united as a family. Really contrary to what reports we've been getting from the lawyers of Ponty Chadda, who cited for us that there was in fact a family feud and an issue of settlement. These are the visuals coming in from the Chhatarpur farmhouse, where the bodies of Ponty Chadda and Hardeep Chadda are being escorted out of the farmhouse. Remember, both the brothers were killed in a shootout which took place earlier today. Police believe it was a family dispute that led to the death of the two brothers, that they may have shot each other to death. Initial reports suggest that Ponty Chadda fired a shot at Hardeep Chadda, fatally wounding him, after which the guards of Hardeep Chadda shot at Ponty Chadda. At the end of this crossfire, both the brothers were killed, and the bodies were being escorted out of that farmhouse. Well, in case you're just joining us, controversial businessman Ponti Chadda has been killed in a shootout which took place earlier today. It is believed that it might have been the result of a family rivalry, family dispute, where both the brothers Hardeep Chadda and Ponti Chadda are believed to have shot each other dead. Remember, there was a firing incident which was reported just under a month ago at the Moradabad farmhouse of the Chaddas. At the time, the Chaddas didn't make much of the incident, saying that it was a freak accident where one of the relatives was cleaning a revolver and shots were heard, and well, an alarm was raised, but it turned out to be nothing. But that incident becoming increasingly relevant in light of this tragedy earlier today. Well, we earlier spoke with Hardeep Chadda's lawyer, Gaurang Kant, who confirmed to us that both the brothers were embroiled in a family dispute. Let's listen.
First, I want to correct it that I am a lawyer for Mr. Hardeep Singh Chadda, not Ponti Chadda. And, the little I know about this is that there was a family dispute which was there. And both the brothers were entangled in some family settlement which was there. This is what has been happening for quite some time. So this is what my personal knowledge is all about the matter.
Right, but were you aware that both the brothers were in the same farmhouse at the same time? Was it unusual that they were there? Were they meeting there? Were they living there together?
No, they were all living there. All the three brothers live at the farmhouse together. And, the family is also living together. So this is a joint family sort of arrangement.
Right. So was this dispute between Ponti Chadda and Hardeep Chadda?
Yes, it was a dispute between Ponti Chadda and Hardeep Chadda, where Mr. Hardeep Chadda was, asking for a family settlement after the death of his father.
What do we know about the third brother? Was he also present at the time this incident took place?
I'm absolutely not aware whether he was there or not, but the last I heard from Mr. Chadda was that he was going to the farmhouse, and then.
Right. What can you tell us, Mr. Kant? What can you tell us about the family? Were there only three brothers? Any other siblings? And the third brother, was he also part of the family dispute?
Well, all I know is that there are three brothers and there are sisters also. But as far as the third brother is concerned, I don't really think that I think Ponti and the other brother were together, and Mr. Hardeep Singh Chadda was asking for the partition.
At any point in time, did you negotiate between the brothers as far as the settlement is concerned?
But as far as the documentations and things are concerned, yes, we were definitely a part of it. And
where were the major disagreements as far as the dispute is concerned?
Well, this was a family settlement sort of a thing. So there were certain issues which were there between the brothers, and I am not really aware of what exactly was the bone of contention between the brothers, but that was definitely regarding some of the properties and family businesses which were, both of them were shareholders and directors in the company.
After the death of Ponti Chadda's father, who did the property and the estate go to?
Well, as far as, you know that it's an ancestral, there are a lot of properties which are ancestral properties. So the father had also created a lot of assets, and that was the whole dispute all about, that he wanted a share in all the family property, and family settlement was to be arrived at.
So all of the property was under dispute. Was it not any one particular property or estate?
So all the ancestral property was under dispute.
What could be the value or worth of this ancestral property that was disputed?
I really can't take it. That's a long shot.
If you were to give us a rough estimate.
That would run into thousands of crores.
Thousands of crores. So both the brothers were at loggerheads over property that was worth thousands of crores. To your knowledge,
and businesses.
Was there anybody else who was taking claim to this property, to your knowledge, apart from the brothers and the immediate family?
No, not really. It was just between the brothers.
The dispute was just between the brothers?
Yes.
And no other claimants that you are aware of?
No other claimant I am aware of.
Were you aware of open differences between the brothers apart from the dispute as far as the property is concerned? Were you witness to any disagreements, open disagreements between them?
Not at all. Not at all.